Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best resin tool is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of equipment for any DIY enthusiast or professional crafter looking to create stunning resin art, jewelry, or functional pieces, offering unparalleled precision and ease of use for intricate designs and smooth finishes. Number 5. Nicpro Silicone Resin Measuring Cups Toolkit. Introducing the Nicpro Silicone Resin Measuring Cups Toolkit, your all-in-one solution for resin art projects. This comprehensive set has everything you need to get started. It includes one large 250 ml cup and four 100 ml cups, all made from flexible, non-toxic silicone. The angled pouring spout ensures precise and clean transfers every time. Say goodbye to messy wooden sticks. Our silicone stir sticks are durable, non-stick, and easy to clean, making resin mixing a breeze. They are also resistant to high temperatures. The kit also features 4 smaller resin cups, ideal for mixing small amounts of liquid or paint. Their long, deep spouts allow for accurate pouring and transfer. Easily transfer liquids with the included 3 ml pipettes. Plus, keep your hands clean and protected with 20 free-sized finger cots, ensuring a mess-free crafting experience. This versatile kit is perfect for a wide range of applications, including resin art, glitter tumblers, jewelry making, and waxing. Enjoy easy cleanup and professional results. What we like. This kit is perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike. If you're looking for a comprehensive set with everything you need for small to medium resin projects, this is it. Its non-stick silicone components make cleanup a breeze, saving you time and effort. What people say. The resin tool is very easy to use and clean. This resin tool is perfect for small projects and intricate details. Number 4. LEOBRO Steel Pin Vise Hand Drill. Introducing a handy tool designed to make small precision jobs much easier. It's perfect for drilling small holes in various craft materials like resin, wood, and clay. This precision drill is made from premium stainless steel, ensuring it's rust-proof and sturdy. Its polished handle offers a comfortable grip and easy rotation for all your DIY projects. It comes with 10 different sizes of steel drill bits, ranging from 0.8 mm to 3.0 mm. These pointed bits are ideal for clean drilling and come neatly organized in a protective case. The 3-jaw chuck securely holds drill bits from 0.8 mm to 3 mm, keeping them upright for smooth and stable drilling. Replacing bits is simple with a quick twist of the vise head. Designed for ease of use, this swivel hand drill is the right size for average hands. Simply insert a bit, tighten, position, and turn the handle for effortless manual drilling. This tool is your perfect companion for creating intricate resin jewelry, keychains, necklaces, and more. It simplifies the process of adding small, precise holes to your creations. What we like. For those intricate details in your resin creations, this hand drill is a game changer. If you need to precisely drill small holes for jewelry findings or other delicate work, its sturdy construction and included bits offer excellent control. It's ideal for making keychains, earrings, and other fine craft items. What people say. The resin tool is very easy to use and clean. It works great for removing bubbles from resin. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. Number 3. SEEKONE 350W Mini Heat Gun. Introducing the SEEKONE Mini Heat Gun, now with an upgraded dual temperature mode. Choose between 500 degrees Fahrenheit and 842 degrees Fahrenheit to perfectly match your project needs, from delicate tasks to DIY endeavors. Your safety is paramount. This tool features built-in overheat protection that automatically shuts it off if the temperature gets too high. It also includes a nozzle safety shield for a secure working environment. Designed for comfort and ease of use, its compact and lightweight build allows for extended operation without fatigue. The retractable stand also provides stability for hands-free work. This portable tool is a must-have for various applications. Use it for heat shrinking, 3D printing, shrink wrapping, or even minor repairs, with a precise nozzle for controlled heat application. Elevate your 3D prints with this mini heat gun. It's ideal for smoothing layer lines, removing supports, correcting deformations, and reinforcing prints, all with precise heat control to protect your models. Your purchase includes one mini heat gun, one nozzle, and a user manual. Plus, our professional team is available for ongoing technical support throughout the life of your device. What we like. If you need to quickly and safely apply heat for various crafting tasks, this mini heat gun is your go-to. Its dual temperature modes offer versatility for shrinking tubing, post-processing 3D prints, or other delicate applications. The safety features and lightweight design make it user-friendly for any project. What people say. The resin tool is very easy to use and clean. It is a great addition to my resin art supplies, very versatile. The different tips allow for precise application and detail work. Number 2. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit, Pink 69 PCS. Introducing the HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit. This versatile set is perfect for all your fine DIY projects, offering a wide range of accessories for various tasks. Achieve the perfect finish with its 5-speed adjustment, ranging from 5000 to 18,000 revolutions per minute. Easily control the power to match your specific needs for any project. Designed for comfort and control, it feels just like holding a pen. Its compact and lightweight body allows for precise work anytime, anywhere. Powered by a 3.7V rechargeable battery with a 2000 mAh capacity, it provides over 200 minutes of use on a single charge. USB charging makes it convenient to power up. The innovative LED indicator light eliminates shadows, ensuring a clear view of your work area. This allows for more precise and detailed results, especially in darker areas. From sanding and polishing to drilling and engraving, this tool handles it all. It's your go-to for detailed craftwork and modifications. What we like. This compact rotary tool is perfect for detailed DIY projects on the go. If you enjoy sanding, polishing, drilling, or engraving with precision and comfort, its 5-speed settings and LED light provide excellent control. Its lightweight, pen-like design makes it ideal for intricate work anywhere. What people say. The resin tool is very easy to use and clean. It comes with a variety of attachments that make it versatile for different projects. The build quality is excellent, and it feels very durable. Number 1. BGick Rechargeable Resin Mixer, Blue. Tired of wrist strain and wasted time? This handheld mixer offers precise speed control, ensuring smooth mixing without introducing excess bubbles. Its upgraded, high-torque motor handles even viscous resins with ease. With forward and reverse modes, it adapts to all your mixing requirements. This tool features a long-lasting 1500 mAh rechargeable battery. Simply charge it via the included USB cable for hours of cordless operation. Cleaning up is a breeze with the 4 included reusable paddles. They can be easily wiped down or cleaned with warm water after use. Your purchase includes the electric mixer, for mixing paddles, a USB charging cable, and an instruction manual, so you can start crafting right away. What we like. Tired of sore wrists and excessive bubbles in your resin? This electric mixer is the solution. If you're mixing larger batches or want a consistently smooth, bubble-free result, its rechargeable design and efficient stirring action save you time and effort. It's perfect for anyone who frequently works with epoxy resin. What people say. The resin tool is a great addition to my crafting supplies. It's very easy to use and clean. The different attachments are very useful for various projects. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.